Hello students, welcome to all of you in class 10 maths class. Today we are going to start the new chapter arithmetic progression. So before explain what is a arithmetic progression, first explain what is a sequence. Sequence is a set of the numbers arranged in definite order according to a definite rule is called a sequence. What is the sequence? A set of numbers are arranged in definite order according to a definite rule is called a sequence. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 are the set of the numbers. These numbers are arranged in a definite order according to a definite rule. The rule is 2n. If put the value of n is a 1, the first term obtain 2. If n is equal to 2, second term is obtained 2 into 2 4. If n is a 3, so 2 into 3 6. If n is a 4, find the fourth term. 2 4 is 8. So these terms are right in a definite order with a rule, definite rule 2n. In the second example, 1 4 9 16. These numbers are right in a definite order, or the rule of these numbers are written with n square. If n is a 1, to find the first term. If n is equal to 2, find the second term. If n is equal to 3, find the third term. If n is equal to 4, find the fourth term. If n is equal to 1, 1 square 1. If n is equal to 2, so 2 square 4. If n is equal to 3, so 3 square is equal to 9. If n is equal to 4, so then n square is equal to fourth term is 16. In the another example, 1 3 5 7. These numbers are also in the definite order, or the rule of these numbers are 2n minus 1. If put the value of n is equal to 1, find the first term. If n is equal to 2, then the value of the second term. Now put the n is equal to 1, so 2 1 is 2 minus 1 1. If put the value of n is equal to 2, so then second term obtain 2 2 is 4 minus 1 3. If n is equal to 3, 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6 minus 1. The third term is a 5 and so on. So these are the sequences. Sequence means the group of the number or set of the numbers arranged in the definite order and a definite rule is called the sequence. Now explain the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is also a sequence. It is a special type of the sequence. Arithmetic progression is a special type of the sequence in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number in the preceding term. For example, second term is obtained, a fixed number is added in the preceding first term. Third term is obtained by adding a fixed number in the preceding second term, and fourth term is obtained by adding a fixed number in the third term, and so on. Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. एक्सेप्ट द फर्स्ट टर्म को छोड़ करके आपको किसी भी टर्म को ऑब्टेन करना है तो आप उसके प्रीसीडिंग टर्म में एक फिक्स्ड नंबर ऐड करेंगे तो आपको जो सीरीज ऑब्टेन होगी दैट सीरीज इज कॉल्ड द अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन और एपी एंड द फिक्स्ड नंबर इज एडेड टू ईच टर्म एक्सेप्ट द फर्स्ट टर्म इज कॉल्ड द कॉमन डिफरेंस एंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज डिनोटेड बाय a symbol d. These AP divided into the two types. First AP is a finite AP and the infinite AP. What is a finite AP? Finite AP means an AP is called the finite AP if and only if it contains a finite number of terms. Yani in this AP, the first term and the last terms are the given. This AP, the finite number of terms, 4 term, 8 term, 20 term, 50 term, a finite number of term is obtained. So this AP is called the finite AP. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, dash, 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 up to the 80. First term is also given and last term is given. First term and last term will be given. So these AP are the finite AP. Infinite AP. An AP is called the infinite AP if and only if it contains an infinite number of terms. इसमें जो टर्म्स होते हैं उनकी कोई लिमिट नहीं होती, इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, तो दिस AP is called the infinite AP. For example 1 3 5, these terms are in AP dash dash dash. Clear? Now solve the problems related to the AP. Find the AP whose first term is 2 and the common difference is 3. Explain with the example. Find first four term of an AP whose first term is 2, whose first term is 2 and common difference is 3. First term A1 is equal to A first term is 2, A1 first term is 2. Now find the second term A2 is equal to, for second term is obtained by adding the common difference. Fixed number is called the common difference in the first term. A2 is equal to A1 plus D. Second term is obtained by A1 plus D, the fixed term in the preceding term. Value of A1 is a 2, fixed term is a 3, is equal to 5. Second term is 5. Now obtain the third term A3. A3 is obtained by adding the common difference in the preceding second term. A3 is equal to A2 plus D. Value of A2 is a 5 plus value of D is 3. 5 plus 3 8. Now find the fourth term A4. A4 is obtained by adding the common difference in the third term, preceding third term, A3 plus D. Value of A3 is 8 and plus 3 is 11. So the first four terms are 2, 5, 8 and 11. These are the first four term of the AP, whose first term is a 2 and common difference is 3. Now find the AP by using this process. Okay.